Once upon a time, there was a sweet little girl named Emma who loved to bake. One sunny afternoon, she decided to bake her very first cake all by herself. She put on her favorite apron, rolled up her sleeves, and got ready for some fun in the kitchen. Emma carefully gathered all the ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and a little bit of magic from her imagination. She wanted to make the best cake ever. As she started mixing everything in a big bowl, her cat, Whiskers, sat nearby, curiously watching every move. But just as Emma was about to pour the batter into the cake pan, there was a knock at the door. It was her friend Mia, holding a basket of strawberries. "Hi, Emma, I thought you might like some fresh strawberries for your cake," Mia said with a big smile. "Wow, that's perfect. Thank you, Mia," Emma said, excited. She quickly added the strawberries to her cake batter, making it extra special. After baking the cake in the oven, the whole house smelled delicious. Emma and Mia waited patiently for it to be done, and when the timer finally rang, they pulled out the most beautiful golden cake. But before they could eat it, a tiny bird flew through the window and landed on the kitchen counter. It chirped softly, as if it was asking for a piece of the cake. Emma smiled and broke off a small crumb for the bird. "Here you go, little bird. Everyone should enjoy something sweet." The bird took the crumb and chirped happily, flying out the window to share the news with its friends. Emma, Mia, and Whiskers all sat down to enjoy the delicious strawberry cake. And from that day on, Emma knew that baking was even more fun when she could share her treats with her friends, both big and small.